Hello everyone, myself Mr. Abhijit Bahasaheb Shinde. In this lecture, we are going to study structure of viruses. The structure of simplest virus consists of nucleic acid surrounded by a protein coat. Nucleic acid is either DNA or RNA, but not both. Protein coat surrounding nucleic acid is known as capsid. Nucleic acid is a combination of nucleic acid and capsid. Protein coat is made up of many protein subunits called as capsomers. Additionally, some viruses have a membranous layer called as envelope consisting of glycoproteins and host lipids. It is generally derived from host membranes. Naked viruses lack envelope. Viral capsids. The protein coat surrounding nucleic acid is known as capsid. The protein coat is made up of many protein subunits called as capsomers. Capsids have highly ordered architecture and exhibit symmetry. Three common types of symmetry are icosahedral, helical, and complex. Icosahedral capsids. Icosahedron is a regular polyhedron consisting of 20 triangular faces, 30 edges, and 12 corners or vertices. It exhibits axis of 2-fold, 3-fold, and 5-fold symmetry passing through its edges, faces, and corners respectively. It is shown in the figure. The genome size is determined by the capsid size. The icosahedron surface is usually rough. Many viruses are isometric, that is spherical in appearance. They possess icosahedral capsid. Capsids are made up of capsomers. Subunits called protomers aggregate to form capsomers. Protomers are of two types, pentamers or pentons and hexamers or hexons. Pentamers have 5 subunits and are present at corners or vertices of icosahedron. Hexamers have 6 subunits and form edges and triangular faces of an icosahedron. They may be naked or enveloped. Number of capsomers in capsid varies with different viruses. Phage 174 contains 12 capsomers in its capsid. Poliovirus and Toga virus contains 32 capsomers in its capsid. Polyoma virus and papilloma virus capsid is made up of 72 capsomers. Herpes virus contains 162 capsomers in its capsid. Adenovirus capsid is made up of 252 capsomers, while Tipula iridescent virus capsid contains 812 capsomers. Helical capsids. In helical capsids, capsomers are arranged in a helix around a single rotational axis. Capsomers curve into helix because they are thicker at one end than the other. They bind non-covalently to genome in a periodic fashion. Size of genome determines length of capsid. They may be naked, for example, tobacco mosaic virus and M13, or enveloped, for example, influenza, measles, and mumps virus. Most RNA viruses with helical symmetry are enveloped. Complex capsids. They have asymmetrical structure. A capsid is neither purely helical nor purely icosahedral and may possess extra structures such as protein tails or a complex outer wall. It can be grouped into two types, those without definite capsid, those with capsid to which additional structures are attached. Examples of viruses with complex capsids are pox viruses and T4 bacteriophages. Nucleic acids. Viruses contain either DNA or RNA as their genetic material. The viruses are much diverse with respect to their nucleic acid. Viral nucleic acid may be single-stranded or double-stranded, linear or circular, segmented or unsegmented. The single-stranded RNA may have plus polarity, that is capable of serving directly as mRNA, or minus polarity, that is it needs transcription, acts as template for mRNA synthesis. In viruses, there are 4 types of nucleic acids based on number of strands: single-stranded DNA, double-stranded DNA, single-stranded RNA, and double-stranded RNA. The double-stranded DNA viruses and single-stranded RNA viruses are most abundant. All 4 types of nucleic acids are found in animal and plant viruses as well as bacteriophages. Most of the plant viruses have single-stranded RNA as their genome. Many of the bacteriophages contain double-stranded DNA as their genome. Some variant DNA molecules possess special types of termini. Cohesive end or sticky ends. These are nothing but single stranded complementary projections at 5' end on double stranded DNA that can stick with each other to form circular molecule. For example, lambda fast DNA contains cohesive end or sticky ends. Terminal inverted repeats. These are identical sequences present in reverse orientation at the end. The DNA of adenovirus and parvovirus contains terminal inverted repeats. Terminal redundancy. It is nothing but the repetition of same sequence at both ends of linear double-stranded DNA. The DNA of T2, T4 and T7 phages is terminally redundant. Circular permutation. In circular permutation, each variant DNA of a phage contains different sets of DNA sequence at end. For example, DNA of T2 and T4 phage is said to be circularly permuted. If genetic information is ATGC, then a circular permutation will generate molecules like TGCA, GCAT, CATG, ATGC, and so on. Envelope. A membranous covering around nucleocapsid is known as envelope. Many animal viruses, few bacteriophages and few plant viruses are surrounded by envelope. Viruses without an envelope are known as naked viruses. The envelope is about 10 to 15 nanometer thick. It is flexible than nucleocapsid and exhibits pleomorphism. It consists of a phospholipid bilayer in which proteins are present. Generally, proteins are virally encoded glycoproteins. Envelope is essential for infectivity. Stability of envelope is critical for transmission of viruses. Based on sources of membrane, there are two groups. First is single-stranded RNA animal viruses and herpes virus. Second is PM2, phage6, iridescent insect virus and pox virus. In first group, envelope is derived from host cell. Lipid composition of envelope is similar to lipid composition of host membrane. Glycoproteins are virally encoded. Envelope mostly contains plasma membrane. Envelope membrane may be derived from endoplasmic reticulum membrane, for example arenavirus, or it may be derived from Golgi membrane, for example Punia virus, or it is derived from nuclear membrane, for example herpes virus. In second group, viruses can synthesize their own envelope. Peplomers. Peplomers are virus glycoprotein that organize as spike-like structures. The peplomers usually project from the envelope. They are made up of transmembrane and surface glycoproteins. Size and shape of peplomer may vary from one animal virus to another. The size of peplomer range from 4 nanometer to 20 nanometer. The usual shape of peplomer is spike-like, but in some cases it is club-like, or in some other cases it is petal-like, for example coronavirus. In some viruses such as orthomyxoviruses and herpes viruses, there are more than one type of peplomers. Role of peplomers. Attachment. Peplomers play important role in attachment of virus particle to specific host receptors. Attachment and penetration. Peplomers play important role in attachment as well as penetration of virions into host cell. Virulence factors. In some viruses, peplomers also acts as virulence factors. Fusion. Peplomers induce fusion of infected cell with adjacent uninfected cell to form giant multinucleated cell. Hemolysis. Some peplomers interact with RBC and lyse them. Maturation. Peplomers also play important role in maturation of viruses. Thank you.